Alright, I'm gonna do a quick video and see if we can get the chain tightened on this 300EX. Looks like to me, loosen these two up, but I've got a hitch on this one, so I got to take this off to get out of the way of one of the bolts. Yeah, that'll move it just enough so I can get to it. My chain might be too far tight. I may have to buy another chain or take a link out, but we'll see when we get this loose a little bit. Alright, got that loose here. Let's see how far this thing will switch, if it'll tighten them up. Let me see if I can find something a little bit bigger. I thought that flathead screwdriver would do it. Well, that made it work. I believe that's as far as it tightens. I believe that might be good enough. I guess if I need to do it again, I either need to go ahead and buy me a new chain. Problem I was having is I used my wood splitter behind the four-wheeler and it was slapping around real bad when I pulled my wood splitter. And I know it's a 300EX, it's not for pulling. Should be tight enough here. What I do with the little bolt here, right here we go. That ought to give me enough to do what I need to do. Thank you for watching.